So many people claims themselves as animal lovers, but their animal love is limited to, till dog and cat only. But all animals are same. We don't have any right to kill for us or rescued animals. My name is Jayshilan Didi. I am from Trivandrum, Kerala. I turned vegan during teenage last. I turned vegan because I don't want to be part of animal suffering. Animals feel pain like us, and they have same right to live here. So I don't want to be part of animal abuse, so I turned vegan. There are a lot of millipedes in my place. People use it to throw them or they use it to kill, pouring kerosene on their head. Even my family members also. So when they are busy, they will ask me to do. But I couldn't do. I saved the millipedes. That moment, I thought that fish and hens are also like this millipede. So I stopped eating fish and eggs that moment. And after some years, when I saw that the cows are tied up in trees and the babies are separated from mothers, I understood the cruelty behind the milk. So I stopped using milk and milk products. But I knew the term vegan after so many years. I started the Ahimsa Farm Animal Sanctuary in 2011 or 2012. I had two roosters, rescued roosters. Actually, I rescued from my home. They brought 5 chicks for taking eggs. When they grown up, 3 were females and 2 are males. So they decided to sell the 2 roosters. I opposed it, and from that moment onwards, I started to take care of them. After some years, there is a situation arise, I can't keep them house, so I started to find some rescued places in Kerala, but I couldn't find any place for the roosters. Their name was Gary and Watson. Actually, they are the first rescued babies. See, broiler babies has a special place in my heart because they are the one of the most abused animals all over the world. These humans kill them when they are just 5-6 weeks old. From the birth to till the time they kill, means they are going through a lot of torture and pain. Means they never get even 1 second of happy life. We rescued a lot of broiler hens. Personally, I feel very satisfied rescuing. At least we could rescue around 150 broiler hens life till now. The broiler hens we rescued from animal lovers also, because animal lovers used to kill these broiler hens a lot for feeding dogs and cats. Slowly we started to rescue new farm animals. In 2020, we bought a land. We all together pool up the money and we bought this land, and we started to take more and more animals, especially large animals. Right now we have around 250 animals. Half of them are goats, 25 large sized animals, bulls, buffaloes, cows, and around 100 small animals, broiler hens, broiler roosters, ducks, goose, turkeys, rabbits, bat. This is how I started the sanctuary when I realized that there is no place for farm animals, rescued farm animals. So many people claims themselves as animal lovers, but their animal love is limited to, till dog and cat only. But all animals are same. We don't have any right to kill for us or rescued animals. Most memorable rescue is we rescued 115 broiler hens from a farm. One vegan from Trivandrum informed me that they are going to sell these broiler hens, both hens and roosters, broiler babies. So she was planning to rescue these babies by paying money, but I opposed that. I told her that I will talk with that person. Initially, he asked money, but I talked to him repeatedly and I could convince him to give all of them for free. I will talk with them in such a way that the humans and animals are same. They have same feeling like us. They have same emotion. They have same pain like us. And I will tell them that if you spare this animal, because of you, these animals will get a new life. My message to everyone who watching this video is leave all animal products, choose compassion, go vegan. They also deserve to live happily like us.